So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to promote a video on TikTok. So the first thing you want to do is open up your TikTok app. From here you can see home, friends, add content, inbox, as well as profile. Now if you want to promote your videos, I suggest you go to your profile and then directly click on the three dots of your video and click the promote button. If it's not popping up out here or you're not sure how to do that, you can go to your hamburger menu and you can see TikTok, balance, QR code, and settings and privacy. So let's go to settings and privacy. From here, you can see your account settings and you can see your content and display settings. Now through here, you can see display, screen time, family pairing, accessibility, and that promote feature usually comes either through your control center, like creator tools, but that usually means when you have content. So I'm just going to show you. So from there, let's just open this. Right now it's locked. You can go to the three dots and you can see the option promote. So through there, if you click on that, you're going to see some features that's going to help you with promoting that content. But for right now, you can also do it through settings or you can just make it public. So that's one of the features you can do as well. So right now it's locked. It's only available to me. I can see that as the account controller. But through there, you can go ahead and click the promote button and then set up the promote uh, options and features that you have at your disposal. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TikTok or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.